Hi, I am Ajinkya Ghongde. I have created a similar setup on Fusion 360 of the experiment shown in this video. Suppose the weight connected down here is 10 Newton, which is approximately 1 kg. So the reaction produced by red toothpick on the table must be 10 Newton. So I have assumed the horizontal distance between point of contact of red toothpick and the table to the point of contact of string and red toothpick as 30 millimeters, and from the point of contact of string with red toothpick to the point of contact of red and green toothpick as 40 mm. The green toothpick is mainly responsible for this equilibrium. So it is pushing the blue toothpick down, thereby increasing the load on red toothpick applied by string, and that increased load can be determined by knowing the angle between green toothpick and this line. So I have assumed that angle to be 30 degree, which is normal. So now the main question: how such a small toothpick is supporting the big weight of bottle? It is because movements are balanced at the point of contact of red toothpick with the table. So we will get one equation by balancing the movements about this point, and we know the relation between these two forces. So if we neglect the tilting of the string, the downward force by string comes as 70 Newton, while the upward force by green toothpick comes as 30 Newton. So basically the green toothpick is taking benefit of leverage. That is why even with the lesser force applied, the movement is balanced. Thank you.